Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Tidio for embedding chat into your no-code app. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Tidio website at tidio.com. On the homepage, locate and click the Start Free button. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Here, enter your email address and choose a secure password. Alternatively, you can sign up using a Google or Facebook account. Once you've filled in your details, click the Create Your Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Tidio. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. After confirming your email, return to the Tidio website and log in. You will be greeted with a setup wizard guiding you through the initial setup. Choose between different chatbot templates or opt for a blank slate. Once you select a template, click Next to customize your chatbot's greeting message. Adjust the design, colors, and text to match your app's branding. After customizing, click Next again to proceed to the integration stage. You will see various integration options. Select the no-code app method. Tidio will provide you with a code snippet for embedding the chat widget. Copy the provided code snippet to your clipboard. Now, navigate to your no-code apps platform. Locate the section where you can add custom code or scripts. Paste the Tidio code snippet into the appropriate field. Save your changes and publish your app. Return to the Tidio dashboard to ensure the chat widget is active. Test the chat feature by opening your app and initiating a chat. Customize any additional settings or automations as needed in the Tidio dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully embedded Tidio chat into your no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.